Good afternoon, dear students. In this video, I'll teach you how to solve the given equation dy by dx is equal to sine of x plus y. Without a further ado, let's see the solution. In this given problem, it is not easy for us to separate the variables because here we have sine of x plus y. So we cannot separate the x variables and y variables, and we cannot take the x variables on one side and y variables on the other side, because it is not easy for us to separate as it has sine of x plus y. So if we substitute x plus y is equal to v, it will be easier for us to solve the given problem. So we will substitute x plus y is equal to v. Let x plus y is equal to v. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get d dx of x, which will give us 1. d dx of y will give us dy by dx. So this will give us, on differentiation with respect to x, 1 plus dy by dx. And v with differentiating with respect to x will give us dv by dx. So x plus y is equal to v on differentiation with respect to x will give us 1 plus dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. Or we can write dy by dx is equal to dv by dx minus 1. We have named it as equation 1. Now substituting the value of dy by dx from 1 in the given equation, we get dy by dx is equal to dv by dx minus 1, and sine of x plus y is equal to sine of v. So we can write dv by dx minus 1 is equal to sine v. Okay, because dy by dx is equal to dv by dx minus 1 and x plus y is equal to v. So sine of x plus y will become sine v, or dv by dx is equal to 1 plus sine v, because dv by dx minus 1 is equal to sine v. When we take 1 on this side, on the other side, this minus 1 will become plus 1. So dv by dx is equal to 1 plus sine v. Or we can write dv by 1 plus sine v is equal to dx. Here we are able to separate the variables v and x. Now integrating both sides, we get integration dv by 1 plus sine v is equal to integration dx. Or we have multiplied 1 minus sine v with numerator and denominator on this side and kept this side as it is. So in the next line we can rewrite it as integration 1 minus sine v divided by 1 minus sine square v dv is equal to integration dx. Or we can write in the next line integration 1 minus sine v divided by cos square v dv is equal to integration dx, because 1 minus sine square v is equal to cos square v, as sine square v plus cos square v is equal to 1. So cos square v is equal to 1 minus sine square v. Solving this part, we will get tan v minus sec v is equal to x plus c, because integration dv by cos square v will give us tan v, and minus integration sin v by cos square v dv integration will give us minus of sec v is equal to integration dx will give us x, and c is our integration constant, which is an arbitrary constant. So the general solution is substituting x plus y instead of v. We can write tan of x plus y minus sec of x plus y is equal to x plus c. This is our required solution. Thank you.